we got some labubus. Finally, we found some in Vietnam. We got Have a Seat and we got the OG. Have a Seat. I want the ones that have their eyes open. But honestly, any is good. And then this one, I really want...
She thinks the secret one's in this one. You think the secret one's in the one?
Well, it sounds like it, but I don't know. I really want soy milk or toffee.
What's the secret color for this one?
They're both brown.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so
Let's open that one first. And then you can do the other one.
are you sure? You can do this one. You can do this
No, you can do this one then.
one.
Go.
You sure?
Pull it. Yeah. By the way, these were cheaper in Vietnam than it was in Australia.
It's pink.
It's so... How cute! Oh
got the
my
dada.
god! So cute! Look at her eyes!
Wow. Love hearts and stuff. Oh, this is a nice card.
Oh wow, that is a nice
See-through.
card. Oh, this is so cute. This would go great on my handbag. Okay, next one.
I like this one actually. This is more compact. This is nice. I should have got one of these.
Okay, now it's my turn.
So these things can't actually sit down properly.
Well, apparently...
Why the fuck is it called have a seat? You can't even have a seat.
Okay. Please be soybean or toffee.
Or secret.
Oh! What did we get? Oh my god! I think this is toffee. Oh, it's fur. It's just not it, but you know, so cute. Oh my god! I'm glad I got these. These are really worth it. They're really cute. Oh.